Hello, today we'll talk about how to make a coding tutorial in Apple Keynote. The theme will be a retro computer. We first draw a box with rounded corners, which will form the basic outline of the computer. Now we change the color to the desired color. Also change the size and the corner rounding to our needs. Now we're creating the shape for the screen in the floppy drive. Here we add shape to make the computer look like it's standing on a table. Now we add a text box to contain the code, which is used in the tutorial we were trying to make with this template. Here, X6 is spelled wrong. Please be careful when you type. Here, we started to improve the look of the text box. We simulated the effect of syntax highlighting, which is available on a lot of modern code editors. The following steps is to make the screen, which the editor is shown, to look somewhat like Vim, which is a common text editor or code editor on Unix-like systems. Here, slide 2 is not needed, and in this video it will be deleted later. Here we are animating the editor to make it look more realistic. Here we add a shape to simulate that some software present what the user pressed during screen recording. And now we are animating the flag. Now it's time for a final playback.